Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this yummy beetroot kichadi. I've measured and reserved dals here, three types of dals, that is Mysore dal, Toovar dal, Moong dal. We'll be using equal measure of rice. This is Jeera rice. You can also use basmati rice. Wash the rice thrice, then add double the amount of water and place this in the pressure cooker. We need to steam cook this in the pressure cooker for 6 whistles. Also add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we'll cook this for 6 whistles. While this is cooking, I've heated a small wok on medium flame. I need to prepare the beetroot curry. I've added ghee to the wok. I'll also add some oil. Now this has to reach temperature. Once this reaches temperature, I'm going to add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, bay leaf and peppercorns. We'll fry all these. I've also broken dried red chilies in half and I've added it. Once the spices have spluttered, I'll add finely chopped onion, garlic, curry leaves, slit green chilies, ginger and garlic paste. We need to fry all of this till the raw flavor from the ginger and garlic paste has gone completely and the onions turn transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also visit my blog for a detailed recipe. Here you can see the onion has turned transparent. At this point, we'll add salt. We'll fry it for another minute's time. This is on medium flame. At this point, my rice is cooked. Now I'll be adding the beetroot. We'll fry the beetroot for another minute's time and we'll add some water and cook the beetroot till it's soft. It will hardly take few minutes for the beetroot to cook. Here in Chennai weather and Chennai water, the vegetables cook so fast. So it is depending on the weather and the climatic conditions in your area where you stay. Now here you can see the rice and dal is cooked nicely. I'll just stir it once. The beetroot is also cooked nicely. It hardly took me 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be transferring the rice to the beetroot. Check for salt and add salt. I'll add quarter cup of water, stir it once more and bring this to a rapid boil. My khichdi is done, friends. It's so easy and simple. It is very tasty. Just top this khichdi with some ghee before serving and eat it hot. It is so good, delicious, and it's a very nourishing dish. Do try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be seeing you soon in the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.